Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com. Today we've got this awesome box that arrived in the mail today from MRE Nation. Don't know what's inside. We didn't order anything. I don't hear any ticking. So let's go ahead and open it up and we'll see what we have inside. We're going to be using the world's smallest knife. This is in our kit store. The story behind this is several months ago, Black Dog Bob asked us to help him on a project. We did, and I think this is his way of thanking us. Let me get this laid out and I'll show you what we have. And this was what's in the box. First of all, we'll start off the MRE Nation mug. We have an alcohol-free bacterial wipe, hot chocolate drink, regular flavor, package of Grand 3-in-1 coffee, package of Nescafe 3-in-1, package of Russian sugar, a package of milk sugar only, or otherwise known as sweetened condensed milk, a package of Russian tea, package of Russian coffee, package of digestive biscuits, strong mint, it says sugar-free gum, a B6 gum, and we have this awesome mug. Next thing we have, looks like there's some chocolate bars in here. First chocolate bar is the Icelandic chocolate. Then we have Romney's Kindle mint cake. Here we have a package of Milk Boy Swiss chocolate. Here we have a 50-gram chocolate ration. And here we have a Russian chocolate bar. Sorry about that, guys. With all that chocolate that Black Dog Bob with MRE Nation sent us, man, I had to stop. I had to eat some of the chocolate. Let's see what the rations that Black Dog Bob from MRE Nation sent us. And this one is very heavy. This is a menu number 10, a chicken gumbo. And if I had to guess, this thing weighs probably 2 pounds. And then we have another one here, a menu number 9, a curry chicken. And this one is very heavy also. Man, can't wait to get into this one. And these are the other 3 rations that Black Dog Bob sent us. So, are you ready for this? Look at that. Pepperoni pizza menu number 1 with Bully, the logo, on the MRE. Check that out. And Black Dog Bob, MRE Nation, sent us 3 of them. Menu number 1, pepperoni pizza, apple and spice sauce, garlic mashed potatoes, chocolate chunk cookies, crackers, peanut butter, fruit punch drink, flameless ration heater, hot beverage bag, accessory kit, and a spoon. The inspection date is December of 2022. Wow, this is awesome. And we can't thank Black Dog Bob enough. Wasn't expecting this, but man, here it is, Christmas in April. So, thank you, Black Dog Bob, MRE Nation. Certainly appreciate it. Can't wait to review these. And if you'd like to get your fresh ration, you can get yours at ForeignMRE.com, 502-682-4388. So give Black Dog Bob a try. We've ordered one of his build your own, excellent, fast shipping, and thank you very much. That's gonna be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.